Ladies and gentlemen, digital investors, welcome back to another video where we go over the daily news. If you're trying to stay up to date on everything that is happening in the crypto space, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I put a video out. And today we're going to start off with the global cryptocurrency market cap hits 1 trillion. This happened yesterday. Yes, that's right. We are officially have a cryptocurrency market cap of 1 trillion, above 1 trillion. And this is crazy, guys. I remember people saying that we would never get here, that a $1 trillion market cap for cryptocurrency was crazy thinking. It was never going to happen. This thing's a bubble and it's all going to be a scam. And they're not making very much noise now, to say the least. So this is awesome, guys. It's a great day to be involved in the cryptocurrency space. We have Bitcoin tops $40,000 for the first time, doubling in less than a month. As we know, guys, Bitcoin is just showing no signs of slowing down. I would say most everybody was calling for a Bitcoin correction at this point. I don't know any analyst that said that once Bitcoin breaks its all-time high, we would go as high as $40,000 before making a retracement. I haven't seen any type of analysis like that. Everything that I saw was people saying, 30K at the most, and then we'd have a significant pullback, probably back down to old all-time highs. So Bitcoin is doing some amazing stuff. It seems to just be doing the complete opposite of what the market expected, which is what it usually does. And yeah, guys, it's just a good reminder of DCAing, sitting on your hands, building up positions, and holding for the long term. It shows that it really does pay off. Most people in this space are going to make more money buying and holding than trying to trade or swing trade or day trade, because it's easier, there's less opportunity to make mistakes, and we're also in a market class that is emerging, right? A lot of money coming into this market. So it's one of those markets where you can play it, where you just park your money in it and wait, knowing that more and more people are going to adopt this technology. We also have Ripple surges 30% as Bitcoin neared 38,000. As we know, Bitcoin has went above 30,000, but XRP has also been surging. We'll look at prices here in a second, and we also have warp speed to 2,000. Watch these levels as Ethereum nears its all-time high. So Ethereum has also been doing some crazy stuff, and I wanted to read this to you because they give a pretty interesting analysis to say the next higher low puts $2,700 in play. The weekly chart has to be put on the logarithmic scale to make this analysis. However, if the Ether chart tops out in the near future, this could also be after a rally toward $1,500 and a new all-time high. The same Fibonacci extension can be drawn over the recent impulsive move. The current high is at $1,230, while the recent low is found at $310. Thus, the Fibonacci extension finds potential top structures at $1,800 and $2,700 to $2,800. The higher the current impulse wave goes, the greater the prospects of a new rally. So as we know, guys, Bitcoin went through its old all-time high, made new price discovery. It is now well above its previous all-time high, basically doubling it, right? If Bitcoin hit $40,000, you call our old all-time high just shy of 20,000. Yeah, Bitcoin basically doubled its old all-time high. So this kind of points to the same thing of Ethereum basically doubling its old all-time high. I mean, Ethereum hitting a high of $2,800 would be pretty much almost doubling. So interesting stuff for Ethereum. I know a lot of people are getting out of the markets right now. They're selling, they're taking profits, and hey, you know what? Nobody ever went broke taking profits. However, in my opinion, I think these altcoins still have a lot of catching up to do. If you just think about it logically, Bitcoin is doubled from its previous old all-time high, and most alts are still under their old all-time highs. So it just still seems like there is a massive amount of catch-up to do. And again, we know these altcoins, mainly alt season, likes to happen when Bitcoin consolidates sideways or has a retrace in bullish territory, but mainly consolidating, moving sideways. These altcoins love to run, and with Bitcoin at 40,000, if we get a pullback here, this is definitely a spot where we could have a pullback. I think there's going to be a lot in the tank left for altcoins. It's not financial advice, so don't take it as that. It's just my opinion. It's what I'm expecting, and it's how I'm currently positioning myself within the market. Our prices for today, we have Bitcoin at $38,965. Give this a refresh. We also have Ether at 1,241, XRP at 32 cents, up 31% on the 24-hour. XRP, it looks like it has some life left in it, or it's flopping like a fish. I guess we'll see, right? Some people are still saying that XRP is going to come down and make another low. Other people are saying the bottom is in. You know, at the end of the day, nobody has a crystal ball. So make sure you have your plan set in place and know how you're going to play the markets no matter what happens. Cardano sitting at 31 cents. Stellar at 32 cents, Link at $16. You have Tron at 3 cents, Theta Network at $1.99, so under $2, Tezos at $2.55, vechain at 2.9 cents. Your fear and greed index for today is sitting at 91, and this on Twitter coming from @CommunityFlare, and this, they say, FYI, Flare Network is not the XRPL killer. The two networks are completely different. XRP is the best in its class at fast and efficient payments. Flare Network brings smart contract functionality, deterring incomplete assets like XRP. And I thought that was a good, just little reminder. I know there's still a lot of confusion regarding what is Flare and how is that relevant to XRP, and are they replacing XRP? So I just wanted to include this in the video today. We also have Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey extends Bitcoin emoji until the year 3000. So if you're going to be hashtagging Bitcoin, it's going to be there for quite a while. And this goes over 3 projects that are coming to PolkaDOT in 2021. I thought this was pretty interesting. So we'll go over these 3 projects and a little bit about what they do. One of these projects is called Frontier, and Frontier is Substrat's own Ethereum compatibility layer that allows developers to run unmodified Ethereum dApps. The program will allow any substrate chain to appear exactly as an Ethereum chain would, as well as host any tooling supported by Ethereum Solidity programming language. The next project is a Moonbeam, another Ethereum compatible smart contract parachain on PolkaDOT. Moonbeam is set to reach its full functionality in 2021. Moonbeam is also a highly specialized layer 1.5 chain that mirrors Ethereum's Web3 RPC accounts, keys, subscription, and logs. The goal of the platform is to extend the base feature set found on Ethereum with additional features and functionalities that include on-chain governance, staking, and cross-chain integrations. And then you have Akala. Akala is the first stablecoin to launch natively on PolkaDOT. So this is pretty cool. Its development team wants to build a decentralized finance hub and a stablecoin platform that power cross-blockchain liquidity in various applications. The Akala dollar, the ticker is AUSD, is still in its testnet phase, but once launched on the mainnet will provide users with more functionality than other stablecoins, namely, users will be able to borrow and lend AUSD to manage outstanding loans and earn interest on their holdings, as well as use the token to participate in governance. So those are 3 projects coming to PolkaDOT in 2021. PayPal, Coinbase invest in crypto tax automation startup TaxBit. Now, I thought this was interesting because, you know, there's definitely a lot more people investing into cryptocurrencies. And the thing about this, the thing about investing into crypto, guys, is the taxes, right? We know the man is coming for the taxes. We see them preparing for it. And I think they're definitely going to be making examples out of people. And, you know, a lot of people, they don't know how to do their taxes. They definitely don't know how to do their taxes manually, right? Most people are getting them professionally done. So something that could automate that process, right? Especially something as complicated as, say, crypto taxes, this could be a big deal. So TaxBit is a firm providing cryptocurrency tax automation software. It has secured investments from the venture arms of PayPal and Coinbase, as well as its existing investor, Winklevoss Capital. So you have PayPal, Coinbase, and the Winklevoss twins in on this. The amount invested was not disclosed in an announcement Thursday. The backing reinforces the importance of tailored software solutions like TaxBit in driving widespread cryptocurrency adoption, the company said. TaxBit automates the complex task of cryptocurrency tax compliance for consumers, businesses, and exchanges through its 2 primary apps. So this is an app you're probably going to want to keep your eyes out. It's probably, I'm sure it's solving real problems. Right? You have PayPal, Coinbase, and the Winklevoss twins investing into it. This is probably going to be a pretty cool app. I wouldn't be surprised if it actually does help with your crypto taxes. And, as crypto taxes get easier, say with a software like this that is automating it, tracking your transactions, it's going to be easier for those type of people who are a little more timid to get into this market, a little scared. The taxes and things like that scares them. Maybe it's something they've never done before, right? A lot of people they just fill out a W-2 every year and they're just getting earned income. For most people, capital gains income is something completely new to them. So this could be a very good thing and help adoption. And then we also have Barry Silbert steps down as Grayscale CEO. So as we know, Grayscale buys a lot of different cryptocurrencies, right? From Bitcoin to XRP. Barry Silbert, being the CEO, he's also the founder, is going to step down, and they will see a change in their CEO position. So the founder of the company, Barry Silbert, was acting CEO until now. In his place, the high-ranked executive position will be assumed by Michael Sonnenschein. Sonnenschein is the company's long-standing managing director and has supposedly played a massive role in attracting new investors and making Grayscale the largest crypto asset manager. Speaking on the matter, he commented, "I want to make Grayscale synonymous with digital investing like PIMCO is with fixed income and Vanguard is with index funds." Meanwhile, Barry Silbert will shift his focus. He said that the company will be announcing another new subsidiary in the near future, while also adding that all eyes are on the Coinbase IPO, which will result in the repricing of many companies in the space. Now, I thought that was pretty interesting, right? The repricing of many companies in the space. Very interesting language to be using. But yeah, interesting stuff nonetheless. Barry Silbert going to focus on other things, have a new CEO step in. Everything looks pretty good in the crypto world. And that is your video for today. So if you enjoyed it, make sure you tap the like button. It really does help a ton for the YouTube algorithm to pick this video up and show it to more people. If you guys did enjoy it and you're trying to stay on top of everything going on in the crypto space, then make sure you subscribe and hit the bell. You'll be notified every single day I make a video like this daily going over Bitcoin, altcoins, and everything going on in the crypto space. With that said, guys, I hope you guys do enjoy your day, and I will see you all on the next one.